How do you automate your business processes? Are you spending too much company time writing code from scratch or tired of paying for costly cloud services? Well, what if I told you there's another way that's simpler, cheaper, faster, and it actually works? No crashes, no surprises, and you stay in full control. Want to know how? Stick around till the end of the video. Basically, n8n is an app that lets you build automation workflows across a wide range of IT services, all through an intuitive visual interface. Each individual part is set up like building blocks, and all you need to do is define the logic between them with no need to write any code by hand. n8n supports over 400 integrations, including everything from tools like email and calendars to more technical ones like MySQL and Redis. That means tech-savvy folks like marketers and product managers can launch complex automations quickly without long and costly development cycles. Why do you need n8n? n8n lets you automatically connect and manage tasks across different services, like saving info to Google Sheets and your CRM, handling emails from Gmail, updating Trello cards, creating tasks in Asana, uploading files to Dropbox, and running workflows on a schedule. It's super useful for startups and small to medium businesses where being fast, flexible, and saving money really counts. Why people really like n8n? Free with no cap on executions. Unlike with Zapier or Make, which charge you for every operation or automation run, with n8n you get unlimited workflows and executions right out of the box. Self-host it, scale it as you grow, and all without scaling your costs. Total control over your data. Users don't want to send sensitive info like customer data, financial records, or passwords through third-party cloud services. In today's world, it's just not secure. With n8n running on your own server, your data stays within your own infrastructure. You can restrict access, encrypt it, and stay fully in control at all times. Flexible logic and wide-ranging capabilities. Most SaaS automation tools only offer basic if-then logic, but real-world business processes are often more complex than that. With n8n, you can build advanced workflows using filters, loops, and conditional logic that adapts to your changing needs. Simple interface. Many automation platforms require programming skills or have messy interfaces which can confuse beginners and slow down workflows. That's where n8n shines. Its visual editor shows your workflows as blocks connected by arrows. You can easily see what data flows where at each step, making automation clear and straightforward. Lots of integrations. Automation doesn't make sense if your tools aren't supported or are hard to connect. n8n already supports over 400 integrations out of the box, so you can automate most of your IT tools from day one. For anything else, you can just connect them through the API. Who n8n is for? Breaking it down with real-world use cases. Lead gen automation from website forms, a game changer for sales and marketing. Let's say a company collects inquiries through a website form and wants to process them automatically. With n8n, the process works like this. n8n catches the form data via webhook. Then it saves the lead in the CRM. A notification is sent to the sales team's task tracker. At the same time, an automatic email reply goes to the potential client. This cuts down on manual work and speeds up handling incoming requests. Monitoring new brand mentions, especially helpful for marketing and PR teams. The marketing team will want to keep an eye on new brand mentions on social media platforms like X or Reddit. With n8n, it's way easier. n8n runs regular keyword checks on Twitter and Reddit. New mentions get saved to Airtable or Google Sheets. The team gets notified in Slack or Telegram with a link to the original post. This helps you keep tabs on your brand image, store everything in one spot, and react fast. Automatic CI/CD failure alerts and incident logging, a use case for DevOps engineers. The goal is to get instant alerts about CI/CD failures, even from tools like GitHub Actions, Jenkins, or GitLab CI, and then to log the incidents in a tracker like Jira or Notion and notify your team in Slack or Telegram. Here's how it works with n8n. An incoming webhook catches the event and its type. It checks and identifies the right project, branch, and commit. Then it creates a ticket with the failure details and sends a notification to the team. And the best part? Setting this up in n8n is way easier than writing scripts yourself. Why is running n8n on a HOSTKEY server both simple and cost-effective? HOSTKEY lets you work with n8n right on your own server. Fast, secure, and there's no tedious manual setup needed. When you order a server from HOSTKEY, you get n8n pre-installed and ready to go. HOSTKEY has on offer virtual and dedicated servers in reliable data centers across Europe and the US at great prices. You get 24/7 support, DDoS protection, and options for both ready-made and custom solutions. And remember, all your data stays strictly under your control. n8n is a powerful tool that lets you quickly automate everything from simple routines to long and involved processes, all with no hidden fees or limits. It's easy to learn, flexible to customize, and runs right on your own server. In the next video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily set up a Telegram bot that lets your clients check their order status at any time. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out.